Good morning. This is called Urgent Message to President Trump. It's a matter of life and death. I wish President Trump could see my video. My name is John Waddell. I will turn 67 in a few weeks. I was born with cerebral palsy. I'm an unknown to you and therefore a nobody. My social security number is right, left, right, tap, tap, Liberty Bell. Of course, I wouldn't give out my social security number on a video, but it is a drum part to the Beatles song, Hey Jude. I saw at a rally yesterday, President Trump, you were playing down the pandemic on 9/21, saying older people get the pandemic with heart conditions or long-term people with medical health issues. Not true, Mr. President. Anybody at any age can get the pandemic. Your fan base, a lot of them are young and they think I can't get it, or if I don't do, it's no big deal. I am young, so why wear a mask and worry about it? I wish you would respect the CDC, Mr. President. Is death on your hands for being irresponsible? Is winning the election that important to you that you need to lie in order to win? So many good people will die because of your words and your actions. Many people already have. I was on the phone this weekend with a friend who is also disabled, and he is so sad and promised me that he would not take his life. But anybody can crack. It just takes a second or two for a person to make a choice that they cannot take back. We talked about an hour. You and your actions, I feel, are a big cause of the way he is feeling this way. We are both nobodies to you, but our lives as disabled people matter. I know atheists who say they do not believe in God, and they too can have blood and death on their hands if somebody takes their life. Well, so-and-so said God isn't real, so what the hell? Why should I live? We all have to be mindful of what we say when it comes to things in our daily lives. America is very, very depressed lately, and politicians are not helping with their anger on their political ads. I wish you would help people, help heal people, Mr. President Trump, and not hurt others daily. I truly feel that many people might give up because of you. And like me, they would have nobody to blame but themselves, of course, but they get so depressed because of how you and others act daily. We all need to be mindful and respectful of one another. And we're all interacting often on cyberspace, which is real at times, but it's also dream reality. We have to be kind and remember not to hurt one another. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share.